Well, welcome back. This is a continuation. I normally don't do two videos in one day, but I thought you guys that like to do the DYI yourself repairs, etc., might appreciate this. The C3 Corvette Part 2. We just call it Part 2 dash Trouble, maybe. Yeah. Anyhow, I was going along and the old compressor regulator here, it kept leaking and I could not get the glue gun working because I had a leak in this diaphragm. And after I pull this off, it's still pristine clean. This, and I'm not advertising for Harbor Freight. I mean, I bought this thing in 2007. All it is for the trim shop. It runs my spray gun, it runs the air stapler, etc. So the diaphragm give up on it, and I could not keep enough pressure to spray glue. So here's the little diaphragm, and you can see she's got a hole right in the side of it. And this rubber, I first went out, and I had some moped inner tubes, too thin. And of course, they only hold like 30 pounds of pressure max, and they would give up pretty quick. So this is way too thin. So I went to my local big truck center right here in Boyd, and they had this inner tube there, fixing to throw it in the dumpster. Actually laying on the ground. The wife had to clean it up. It's exactly the same mill as the diaphragm, and they put 175 pounds of air in these big semi tires. So they were graceful enough to give me a chunk. Actually, the guy said you can have the old inner tube, and I said, man, it's enough to make diaphragms as long as I live, and if I have to make another one for the Harbor Freight compressor or the other compressor, this is plenty. So here we go. We've got this thing laid out and patterned, and normally I would make a chip piece first, but this laid out really nice. So we're gonna get that machine back up and going this afternoon, and so we can continue on with part three of CJ. But anytime everybody mentions Harbor Freight, they always think junk, but this one has lasted and lasted, and I service this twice a year. Every 6 months I will take and drain the old oil out, put new fresh oil, clean the air filter, etc. So just a little DYIF today, and hope you guys like this. I won't probably do too many half videos in a day, but somebody out there may have the same trouble, and so I'll put some comments in there and some tags that'll lead you to your old Harbor Freight compressor. Thumbs up. Please subscribe. I hope you like this. Come back and see us.